Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, June the 2nd, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside for this current candle. Candle's made a lower high and a lower low. It's a spinning top type candle, so a candle of indecision, and has set the market up for a potential change of trend back to the upside. Even though the market's closed lower, denoting the sellers being slightly keener for the day, a lot of that keenness that they had on the previous day has dried up. We have this candle where the sellers have lost the commitment, as evidenced by the large shadow on the bottom of the candle. By the same token, the buyers didn't show any commitment by changing the trend or by closing the market up towards the highs. So they were only able to close the market just up above the midpoint level, showing that they had some sort of control on the day, but only very, very weak control. The spinning top candle is a very small bodied candle as well, so that means that the sellers made a very small amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, so not the sort of candle that you normally see continue a trend to the downside. However, having said that, we still haven't had a change of trend, so there is potential for a change of trend, so we do need to watch the high of the current candle for a potential high and high low. Now, the market is trading within the cloud, so we have a neutral bias in this market at the moment. So we've gone from this positive bias that we had in the market for the past month and a half or so, roughly, and now a neutral bias. The market is, however, bearish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes by trading down below the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. And both of those indicators are pointing down, reflecting the downside momentum in this market. Now, this candle has also taken out the previous swing low, reaffirming the downtrend that the market's in. We can see the series of lower peaks and lower troughs that the market was making previously. And again, today's trading, we've taken out the previous trough. Now, there is solid support down below here, good support within the cloud, extending down to the 1300 level, and that's a round number, and will be a very big level for this market should the market continue trending down. To the upside, obviously, support at a resistance at 1313, and we've closed just around that level, just below it. And certainly good solid resistance at the top of the cloud, which will probably be about 1320, and then resistance around 1324. So good resistance overhead, strong support down below with the 1300 round number. The trend is down, a neutral market overall. If we do have a bearish breakout down below 1300, we could see the market trade substantially lower, potentially down to 1265, but we should wait and see how the market develops. As I've said, spinning top type candle gives us potential for a change of trend to the upside.